Hi guys, you're welcome back to the channel. My name is Onyi. In today's video, I'll be showing you 2 ways that you can use your rice for hair growth. If it's your first time joining us, kindly subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So this is my rice. I'm using half cup of rice. I wanted to use my Nigerian rice, but when I checked, I've run out of Nigerian rice. So subsequently, when I'm going to make another video, I will be using my Nigerian rice for it. I really want to see if it's going to give me a different result. So this is my rice, and I'm going to wash it properly, and then after washing, I will transfer to my airtight container. So the only reason we're washing the rice is to get rid of impurity, dirt, or anything at all. So you have to wash it properly first before adding the water you need. So I'm just going to scrub it. I will pick it up and scrub it properly. So that is it. Remove that water, the one that I've used to wash the rice. I want to rinse it again. So I just want to rinse it properly. So now I will transfer my rice into my jar. So this is the jar I'll be using for this rice water. So I will transfer my rice into my container. I just want to, this makes it easy for me. So what you basically need is an airtight container, something you can close tightly. That's all you need. So you can use any storage container that you have. So I'm done transferring my rice. Next, I will add water to this. So I'm using normal water, not cold, not hot, just normal water. So I will cover. Cover this and shake properly. So you shake this very well. Now we have, like I said, there are 2 ways you can make your rice water. So by shaking it, you want your water to get all the nutrients from the rice. So that is why you're shaking it. So you can see the color of the water has changed actually. So like I said, we have 2 ways of making rice water. You can use your plain rice water, and you can use your fermented rice water. This way, what we have now is our plain rice water. So you can use this like this as your hair rinse. Use it to rinse your hair, and you can keep this for 24 hours and then use on your hair. So this is what the Yao women use for their hair. They store it, they use the fermented rice water, they use it as hair rinse. Now there are a lot of things you can add to this. You can add tea bran to this. You can add orange peel to mask the stinky smell of rice. You know, fermented rice actually smells. so you want to mask that stinky smell. You can use your peppermint oil, an essential oil. You can add it to this to mask the stinky smell of the rice water. So we are going to leave this for 24 hours, and then I will show you what it looks like after 24 hours, and you will see the difference between your fermented rice water and your plain rice water. So plain rice water is also good for your hair, but I recommend you do the fermented rice water because I feel you have given the water enough time to absorb nutrients from the rice. That's why I prefer the fermented rice water. So we are going to leave this for 24 hours, and then we will use it as our hair rinse. I'm actually making this for my daughter because I want to incorporate rice water to her routine. I want to use it on her hair for like 1 month and see the impacts and how her hair will react to it. So guys, fast forward to 24 hours. This is our rice water. I added mint leaf, peppermint leaf. I have it in my garden, so I took some of it and added to the rice water. I want to mask the stinky smell of the water. This is my first time using this, so I am actually excited about the results that I got because the water ended up smelling nice. It doesn't smell bad at all. So right now I'm going to sieve the rice. You can see the level of the rice has increased, so the water has actually soaked the nutrients. The rice has absorbed water and everything has actually mixed up. So I will sieve this and I will use this as my daughter's hair rinse. So I really needed something to mask that smell because I'm using it for my daughter. So I do not want it to smell on her hair. And she's still a child. She's just 7 months old. So this is our rice water after sieving it. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to put the mint leaf back and keep it. After bathing my daughter, I will use the water to rinse her hair. Do not soak the rice for more than 24 hours and do not leave the hair rinse on your hair for more than 24 hours to avoid yeast infection. So guys, I have decided to show you another way that you can use your rice. This is my boiled rice. I boiled it to softness. It is very soft, well cooked. So we will be using this rice to make our hair mask. So another way you can use your rice is that you can use it as a hair mask. So I am going to transfer my rice to my blender, and then this is me transferring the rice. I transferred everything, about 2 cups of rice, because I want to have enough rice, enough mask for myself and my daughter. I will add castor oil to my rice. So I am adding the castor oil I have available. It's like 1 tablespoon. So I added everything because I am out of castor oil for the moment. So I will add water next. So I added more water when I was blending. I realized what I added was not enough, so I added more water when I was blending. So I blended this very well. I blended it to softness, into a very fine texture. So endeavor to take your time, blend it very well. If your blender is a very good one, then it will do the job perfectly. So guys, after blending, this is what we have. I will transfer this into my bowl so you all will see what it looks like. This is a very good mask for your hair. You can add any oil of your choice. I added castor oil. You can add extra virgin oil. You can add coconut oil if that is what you have. You can even add vitamin E oil to it. So this is my hair mask. I'm going to apply this to my hair. I will divide my hair in sections and apply this. You can use this once a week. After applying this, kindly cover your hair with a hair bonnet and leave it for about 30 minutes before washing out with your shampoo and condition. So this is a very good mask for your hair. This is another way that you can use your rice. So aside rice water, you can use your rice also as a mask. If rice works for you, perfect. Then you can always use that and incorporate that in your routine. So you can do this once a week. Make sure that you cover with your cap after applying to your hair. Divide your hair into sections and then massage it gently in. Guys, always remember to massage your scalp when using treatment. So I am going to transfer this into my storage container and store it in the refrigerator. I will be using this in the morning for my hair. So guys, we have come to the end of this wonderful treatment. If you enjoyed it, kindly give this video a thumbs up, click on the notification bell, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and if you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I love you.